Oh, look at those low grades!
Oh. 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 God.
What happened?
Well.
What happened?
Well.
What happened?
Well. Boy.
Eagle Man.
Is that the end? Like me. Is that the end? Is that the end? Like me.
My headphone singers with a message. Great bag.
Is that the end?
You have a pigeon race. What do you have, numbers on them?
Of course, they have bands, and you have the bands identified.
And where do they race?
It depends on the duration.
Where do they race?
Let's take our birds 1,000 miles, let's take them 100 miles, let's take them 70
Where
miles.
do they race? Do they race from LA to Vegas?
I'm sure, yeah.
Okay, and then how do you know who won?
Well, as soon as they come back, the bird gets in, you clock the time. You clock the time he gets in, and you can't cheat because you clock the time. The time doesn't make you clock the computer, and you can't cheat because the computer, and you can't cheat, clock the computer. Then we all wait till the birds.
How fast do they fly?
60 miles an hour.
Whoa. That's going pretty good. You can't make money with this. You can't make money with
you
this.
can.
How? You're betting each other?
Yeah, you bet each other. Different clubs bet each other.
This is a new world to me.
No, this world.
Do you name your pigeons?
No, not in particular, no.
Come in, top that my fuck you in your ass, punk white boy. You faggot. You can't touch me, you're not man enough. I'll eat your ass on the line, bitch.
Quiet! Beak! In here. That's when I took my father. I heard you wanted to see me. Eggman! Sure you.
Leo, I want you to
stop, man.
Who does she think she is?
Oh, be quiet!
True.
So you
What's that?
It's Pikachu! God damn it!
you did, what you said.
Jason Derulo.
That it's all for the best, because it is.
And every few years, when the feeding conditions are perfect, flamingos join together in a magical courtship dance.
I think I hear something. What there's a king hopping in the... He's right. You think so? Wanna play? Don't let the crew get away! Get away! Get away! Get away! Get away! Get away!
Which way do you go? Which way do you go? Which way do you go?
That way.
Well, gee, thanks a lot, George. Thanks a lot.
What happened to you?
Nothing, Link.
I think I bet my dick.
Now she's...
Konnichiwa. Wow. Duck. The Aikido are pretty hungry. They're trying to eat, but it's not Aikido food. It's a great spring day for the Ahiru to go.
A sea monster ate my ice cream.
Ahiru are pretty good swimmers. Pretty good.
My ice cream! Scream! Eat my ice cream!
Here we have the Ahiru.
Boiled chicken ovulations. Now then,
Where chicken? A where what?
Chicken ovulations.
a giant chicken just came through here.
Hold. Holy cow! Chicken bane. Did it have any distinguishing marks?
Biggest dang chicken I ever seen. Maybe 6 feet tall.
How'd you poke a small chicken?